Welcome to Tenerife, one of Spain's most beautiful islands. Today, we're embarking on a journey to explore the Barranco del Infierno hike, a stunning trail that will take us through waterfalls, lush vegetation, and rocky terrain. The special nature reserve Barranco del Infierno limits access to 20 people every half an hour, in order to preserve the local flora and fauna. To enter the enclosure, it is essential to make a previous reservation. As we make our way through the trail, we're treated to stunning views of the surrounding landscape. The path takes approximately 3.5 hours, between the outward and return journey, and the total route is approximately 6.5 kilometers. This waterfall is breathtaking. The sound of the water rushing through the rocks creates a peaceful atmosphere that's hard to find anywhere else. As we reach the end of the trail, we're filled with a sense of accomplishment and awe at the natural beauty that surrounds us. The Barranco del Infierno hike is a truly unique experience that we'll never forget.